Ain't gang if you let shit slide. Ain't bad if you got a dick ride. Big guns and a lot of zip ties. Said she look like me, quit lying. Don't stop, 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 don't stop. We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. All these bitches on my. Spit another bag on my. Nah, nigga, you ain't fuck the new. Every whip heavy on that new. Shorty mad cause she ain't know. Pretty face with a Barbie doll. Another year, another Vince Slim. Target. Neutralize. Trigger. Shoot. Fire. 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 We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. I ain't tryna be buddy. I'm a multi-million-dollar home. Hollow points finna go through yo. Washing them bitches bathing. He be kissing all over my. Get his dick stiffer than a roll. Another year, another Vince Slim. Target. Neutralize. Trigger. Shoot. Fire. 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 We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now.
Whoa, better than every. My feeling is catchy. Down here, no my. All my bitches get jealous. But I'm all bitty out, so they gotta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 just on my high. It's so hard that a nigga might die. Got an old school girl still rockin' them pellies. Got a young bitch like a nigga on back. Himalayan pussy worth way more than a Kelly. Good coochie worth way more than a what? I like to talk from the front when I look at the girl. She got the junk in the trunk. That's the reason why I'm cuffed. I don't even care if my eye really my cousin. All of my niggas, they fly with the button.
We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now. We gon' spin and kill. Deep in this fuck. A nigga tellin' now.
Let's open this thing. How y'all doing? Is y'all pre-gaming with me? Is y'all pre-gaming on New Year's Eve with me, Candy? Thank you. And if you're partying with me, girl, I hope you enjoy this little buzz we having. Let me open this thing for y'all.
Nothing but some socks, me from rocks in it. Have me walking all crooked in my Crocs and shit. Bitch, I go to Raji for my baby boy. Ride it like a Kawasaki.
Girl, it ain't nothing but little vibe. Ain't nothing but little vibe, little opening, little something for the new year.
Yeah, I got him butt nigga.
You need all of this if you do nails.
Ain't hitting if he take it too long. Told him put my name on it, making him moan. The smell of Lola Brooke, that's his favorite cologne.
Let's see what it smells like.
Drink until we drunk, I'm choosing you, baby. Things I wanna do to your baby. Say you crazy.
Ooh, it does smell good.
Like, why would I lie when I'm trying to put this on you, baby?
Trying to make a choice between his leg or his face. She getting more intense than election day. What I expect today is
60,
good night. Good
60.
Stop calling his phone, bitch.
I normally use
fucking with me is a W.
80, girl, but you know, we trying to solve through these things, right? So we finna see. Hannah is my favorite file and Real Big Company right now.
Got him busting nuts before we leave that Holland tunnel.
I'm yours for the summer. Wanna drink until we drunk. I'm choosing you, baby. Things I wanna do.
I gotta put it back.
Say you crazy, I gotta take a risk on you. Like, why would I lie when I'm trying to put this on you, baby? lap in the city,
What
all
it
my
is.
soul with you. No, I see you, come over.
I want to say this is a half jar. Let me show you a full jar. They're big though. This is what you want for your cuticles, okay? Girl, I thought this shit wasn't recording, and I was about. Are you drunk already, Candy? No, mind your business. Mind your business. She's sexy though. Girl, just party. You can look at the links later. Bend that ass.
Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass.
It's a little vulgar. I don't care
Hands
though.
on your knees.
Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
Bend that ass over.
I
Let
can't.
that coochie breathe. Shake that.
I don't even like Sexy Red like that, but I do. I don't want y'all to think I got like orange hair or nothing. Like, that's not. I am not that ratchet. I don't really like Sexy Red like that, but I do like this song. I don't want y'all to be like, oh my gosh, she over there with long nails and orange hair. I am not, okay? But I do like the song, and it made me want to shake my little tiny booty, so mind your business.
That ass, bitch. Hands on your knees.
Absolute favorite. Absolute
Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass.
absolute favorite top and base coat. Girl, this brush is what sells it for me. Look at the brush. So when I'm like putting it on my nails, I can get under there. Like, this brush is everything, and the product is great. This is the base coat, so let me pull out the top coat. Now I've used this, so I don't want you to judge it too harshly, but it's not overly thick. Like, she is just perfect. If you look at my shorts with these nails, girl, like, even dirty, she shines. This is my new go-to for base and top coat. So put this in your must-haves, must-tries, need for nails. Y'all know I use a base coat in between my nails instead of primer, but if I'm putting this on the top, whatever, girl, get this.
I still got some love deep inside of me. No need to lie to me. I know you got a guy, he's not a guy to me. Just say goodbye to him.
You gotta have bling.
Take a ride to me, ride to me. I still got some love deep inside of me. Please drag it out of me. You just might get that G-Wagon out of me. Please drag it out of me. Please drag it out. Rolly gang, patty gang, rich baby daddy gang. I'm with Red like I'm at a Cincinnati gang. Hood bitch tatter gang for she tatter name. Real bitch held me down for I had a name. Heard this money on my head, what is that to me? I put 100 bands on him, he put a rack on me. We from two different worlds, but it's a match to me. The bend it over only time she turn her back on me for real.
She giving me the shade.
Let that coochie breathe. Shake
Let that bling breathe, girl.
Hands on your knees.
Hands on your knees.
Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me.
You ain't so pretty, you decided you're sorry. I need a dick conversation, can you call for me? I got a feeling this is more than what we both say. I got a feeling this is more than a feeling. I can't let you get away. Feels good, but it can't be love. Ain't a damn thing that I do. Ain't a damn thing, oh.
I'm putting the prices. Don't worry. I'm gonna put the prices for everything.
Shake that ass, bitch. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Hands on your knees. Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that about me, know my song. I drive them crazy, can't leave me alone. Foreign trucks, I pull up 30 inches to my butt. Nails done, I'm fine as fuck. Niggas tryna see what's up. Bend that ass over, let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch.
Absolute favorite.
Hands on your knees.
Absolute must-have.
Shake that ass for Drake. Now shake that ass for me. Bend that ass over. Let that coochie breathe. Shake that ass, bitch.
Okay, we are going to get into some prices. I'm about to put the links. Everything that I'm showing you is from Amazon. Why am I lying to y'all? They won't be links. They won't be links. But I am about to play y'all out. I hope y'all have enjoyed this so far. Let me give y'all the information. So if you want to go over there and buy some of this stuff, these are my absolutely, if you're finna get into nails, you're definitely going to need, I'm not a nail tip girl anymore. Forms changed my life. So you're going to need a good nail tip or a good nail form. I highly recommend these nail forms. If you are doing even natural nails, you're going to need a good base coat, a good top coat. This is the one that I'm using. This is what I'm probably going to be using all of 2024. If you're doing nails, you're going to need a great company for files. And I recommend Pana for nail files and drill bits. I do have the drill bits from AliExpress, but nothing, and at Temu, but nothing files through acrylic like my Pana. And you're going to need a good cuticle oil. So let's get into our next song, where I will post all of the links or pictures and prices from Amazon. And thank you so much for watching. I always forget to ask y'all to like, comment, subscribe, even dislike if you want to. Girl, I don't care. Interaction is interaction. Let me know what y'all think. Let's get into these prices.
Pull up and I almost hit him. He acting like I ain't always with him. My heart saying I love him while I'm screaming out I hate him. And ain't no more debating, this time it's the ultimatum. I never forgot where I was at the first day I met him. Yeah, it was love at first sight, but I ain't never sweat him. I knew if it was meant to be that one day I would let him. 20 years later, them decisions, I don't regret them. Just wish you would give me space when I really need it. To be alone in my zone when I'm really heated. Just cause I am quiet, don't mean you're defeated. Wish you ain't need me to feel like you're completed. Don't wanna say something mean when I don't mean it. Million missed calls, I don't wanna talk. Just did a detox, now I wanna spark. I heard a line for you, and it was beautiful. I made a song for you, they say you're beautiful. You're so irresistible. To somewhere mystical. You're so
Haven't hurried for the faint of heart. She bad as fuck, but hard to deal with, and it ain't a fault. She got ambition like the niggas and a vision for herself, so she can't rest until she feel like she done made a mark. So if you love her, then you gotta learn to play your part. Sometimes you gotta play the bet, but when you do, make sure you play it smart. All these niggas want her, so they hating hard. They talking slick and make you wanna pull a rated R. You like a lover, like a brother, like a manager and A&R, plus a therapist when it start raining hard. Her life was trauma-filled, it left her with a tainted heart. Yeah, you the nigga that she wanna tat her name across, but you need patience and a lot of extra faith in God. God to keep the family together at a time when it's so regular to break apart. So God forbid y'all got a kid, therefore I hate the thought. It's you and her against the world until it ain't no more. Breath in your lungs, I'm just a messenger, but God is who this message is from. I wanna send you my respect because I rep for the ones that hold they wifey down despite all of the extras that come. Word to Willie Smith, these silly niggas heckle and shun as if their life is somehow perfect and they never been plunged into a dark place. So I can't respect when it's done. It's family first through the worst, coming second to none, for real.
I wrote a line for you, and it was beautiful. I made a song for you. They say you're beautiful. You're so irresistible. Take me somewhere mystical. You're
Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a safe and happy new year. If I don't see y'all this year, I'll see y'all next year. Thank you for subscribing, being a part of my 2023, and hopefully y'all will be a part of my 2024. Thank you so much, YouTube, for being here and being a part of my community, but also allowing me to be a part of your communities and your day-to-days. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you get any of these things. Also, let me know, what are your must-have basics? What are the first things you're going to be ordering from Amazon? What is on your first Amazon order for 2024 that you must have? It doesn't even have to be nail stuff. It might just be your cleaning haul, your cleaning supply haul. Let me know, child. Let me know. Thank you. Bye bye.